Good day.
Mrs. Ginillian Borboran, this is our presentation about stick and slip. Step 1. Attach the rubber band to the paper clip. Then, attach the paper clip to one another. Step 2. Place the boxes side by side. Then, put the toy house on the box with a rubber band. Then, tape the two boxes together. Go. Step 3. With your left hand, hold the box with the rubber band in place. With the other hand, slowly pull on the rubber band in the direction.
When the days are cold and the cards are fold and the saints we see are all